Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GDPR consent with OneTrust for mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your OneTrust account.
Once logged in, navigate to the Consent Management section on the dashboard.
Select mobile apps from the options available. Click on Create New App to start setting up consent for your application. Enter the required details about your mobile app, including its name and platform.
Next, configure the consent categories that are relevant to your app.
Choose whether to enable user consent for cookies, analytics, and marketing categories. Set the required language for your consent banners based on your target audience. Customize the look and feel of the consent banner to match your app's branding.
Preview the consent banner to ensure it meets your design expectations.
Now, move on to the settings for the mobile SDK integration. Download the OneTrust mobile SDK package appropriate for your app's platform. Follow the integration instructions provided in the OneTrust documentation. Implement the consent banner in your app's initialization process.
Ensure the banner appears when the app is launched for the first time. Test the consent flow thoroughly to verify it works as intended.
Make sure all consent actions are correctly logged in your OneTrust dashboard. Once everything looks good, publish your app update with the integrated consent functionality.
Monitor the performance of the consent banner through the analytics provided by OneTrust. Make any necessary adjustments based on user interactions and feedback. That completes the setup for enabling GDPR consent with OneTrust for your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.